The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued tornado watch number 748 for the following counties: in South Carolina, Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Greenwood, Lawrence, Oconee, Pickens, and Spartanburg counties until 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, effective late Saturday night into Sunday afternoon. Primary threats include a couple tornadoes possible, scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour likely, isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Summary: clusters of strong to severe thunderstorms will likely develop rapidly northeast across the mid-Atlantic region this afternoon. Scattered damaging winds are likely, and a couple tornadic storms will be possible. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. Personnel should be on the lookout for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Locations impacted include Abbeville, Anderson, Gaffney, Pickens, Ely, Lawrence, Greenwood, Walhalla, Seneca, Spartanburg, and Greenville. This tornado watch will remain in effect until 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.